Welcome to the General Worth House, a piece of American history. I bought this home during the pandemic using my cell phone, and we moved in during a snowstorm, and it was the first time we stepped foot into this home. I'd always dreamed of owning a historic home, and in my 50s I thought maybe it's time for meaningful change. So we took a risk, and it's definitely paid off. I'm here to show you how you can take on your own historic home renovation and decoration project, and I'll be with you along the way. I'm Alicia, I'm 59 and a GenXer, and I really believe that we should be stewards for these beautiful historic homes. I grew up in older homes, I'm an art history major, and I also renovated and decorated a 1930s home, and I just loved doing it. On this channel, we'll talk about how we've been renovating and decorating this wonderful space, mistakes made, because that's very important. No project goes smoothly 100% of the time. We'll also be talking about the breakdowns of how I'm choosing specific pieces, from antiques to vintage pieces, and where they will go. How I find resources that make this project come to life. We'll learn about financial tools like historic home tax credits. I'll take you along to other homes of people that are actually in the same process right now, renovating their historic and older homes, and we'll meet them, and it's so much fun to talk to them and learn from them. We'll be visiting hotels and historic sites that have been reflected in certain areas of this home. We'll have conversations with people that I have worked with on this home, including antiques dealers, lighting experts, and even the muralist who created this beautiful mural right behind us. I'm not going to be doing any DIY because, quite frankly, I am not an expert in that area, so there'll be no wallpaper hanging and no molding being put up here. That goes to the professionals. I want this to be a place where we can gather and have inspiring conversations and talk about creating a meaningful place to live. In the next video, we'll be talking about the front hall, all of the elements that make up this space. If you've ever dreamed of owning or renovating a historic or older home, I hope you'll join me and subscribe so that we can go on this adventure together. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified when this video comes up. Thanks so much, and see you soon.